Hi, this is Daniel. In today's video, we will learn how to add products to your WordPress website. First, we will log in into our WordPress dashboard. The plugin that we need is WooCommerce to add products to our website. So first we'll add our WooCommerce plugin. If you don't have the plugin, so we can go to plugin section, add new, and search here for WooCommerce. I have already installed this and activated this plugin. So going back to our WordPress dashboard, under WooCommerce section we can see products. So under WooCommerce, under products, we'll be selecting add new to add a product to our website. Let's say I want to add a product name iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, so we have named this product. We need a category for that, so I don't have a category already built in, so I'll just create a new one. I'll just name this phones, add new category. It will be automatically checked because we have created that. Okay, so now here's our price. What will be the price of the iPhone? So we'll just set it up for 3 lakh around. In rupees it's estimated to be around 3 lakhs, and discounted rates are 291,000. Okay, great. So here we can just check the inventory. We can manage the stock from here, how much stock we have. Like if we have 50 products in stock, we can just set this to 50. After processing 50 orders, the WooCommerce plugin we will not be able to take any orders on this product. So we can just set a barcode for that. Let's say 00217. So this will be the barcode. This is an exemplary barcode we are setting up. So moving on to shipping, we can just select the weight, like it's around 500, no, it's 0 0.5, 0.95 kg. It will be around that weight. We can just set the dimensions and let, like it's around 400 by 200. It's an exemplary thing, so we can just set an height like it's around 500 centimeter. Okay, so here we can add the shipping class if we have created one. Now we will add a short description to this product. So let's just get lorem ipsum text for the description. That's enough. I'll just paste the description over here. Now what we need is a product image, so we'll Google it. iPhone 13 Pro. Make sure if you are using this, it's a copyright free image. So I'll just select this image. I know that's not copyright free, but I'll be deleting it later on. So let's just save this image. And if we'll go back to our product page, we can set this product image from here. We'll drag and drop this image. We'll click on set product image. Here on the product gallery we can add different images of this phone from different angles, so I don't want that for now. So let's just click on publish. Now if we want to see the product, we can just open this link in a new tab, and our product is added. So we have our item name, we have our price, we have our description, we have how many items we have in stock, we have an add to cart option, again the category, the weight, the dimensions. So great. So that's enough from the video. Till then, take care and keep watching DTech TV.